A monster of a yacht, Kraken concept is 200 feet long with spiral staircases, luxury sleeping quarters and a helipad at the bow. Snaking between the waves, this super yacht could be a monster of the seas, quite literally. The Kraken concept yacht, which takes its name from a mythical sea giant, has been designed by a Sweden-based design team and is the height of luxury with a large beach club, reception area, spiral staircases, and even space for a helipad at the bow. It measures 200 feet, 60 meters, long and has a proposed top speed of 35 knots.